Hi everybody and welcome to lesson 6 of robot algorithms, and today we're looking at debugging. So what is a bug? So a bug is something that is not quite right in your algorithm and your program doesn't work properly as you want it to work. Now it could be that it doesn't get to the right place. Now we're looking at moving our robot across the map in a direction, going from one place to another. A bug is where it doesn't get to where it needs to go, so we have to find out where we went wrong in the algorithm and fix our instructions. So the arrows on this mat, as you can see, the little purple ones here going up, is our plan. That's where we want our robot to go. We want to go from our start position here up to the basketball hoop. So the algorithm is meant to get us there. So here's our algorithm across the bottom. So does this algorithm get the paperbot to the hoop? So have a look at it. That's right, it is wrong. There is something wrong. There is a bug in our program. So we need to have a look. So first off, we've got that first, we're going up. So that bit is right. So we are going forward one. We are correct there. Then we need to turn right, and that bit is right. So we know the first two instructions are correct. Then we're going to go forward. Now that part is right. We've gone forward again. Then we've gone left. And then we've gone forward. So something's not quite right in this instructions. Can you tell me which one it is? Where did we go wrong? That's right, we went forward too many spaces, so we should have stopped here and turned left, and instead we went on another space to the sand pit. So we need to remove one of these instructions here, and then our algorithm would work, because we would go forward, turn right, forward, turn left, forward, and we would get to the right place. So we've debugged our algorithm and found where it went wrong, and we have fixed it. Okay, so in last lesson you designed and tested your own algorithms, and in this lesson you've got a bit of a bigger challenge. Okay, you're going to need to design an algorithm to visit two places on your mat. Okay, so choose an empty square to start from. So on this one we've got bottom left. Choose two places to visit. So we've put 1 and we've put 2 up here. Now it's your choice, you decide where you want to get to. Okay, you need to design your algorithm for one stage at a time. So your first task is to plan from your start position to the position that you want to, you've identified as stop number 1. Okay, and once you've got that algorithm planned out, test it. Make sure it works using your paperbot, move it around and follow, or you could use the online tool that we've used before. Okay, so then once you've tested it and debugged it, if there's any problems, you can move on to the next step, and you're now designing the second stage where we need to go from position 1, because we're now here, to all the way up to number 2 here, and it's your choice which route you take. And once you've got those two parts of the algorithm, you can put them together. So here's part 1, and that was getting us to number 1, and then we've got pause, so we've stopped there, so we've stopped at the sand pit, and then we've got the algorithm that we're using to get over to position 2, and you can put that together to create your program. Okay, so when programmers write long programs, okay, they will break it down into sections, and that makes it easier for us to find out where our problems are and debug it. So if part of the program has a bug, it is then easier to find it and fix it. So what you've got to do is, you have got that task to do. You've got to plan out your algorithm to get to 2 locations. There is an additional worksheet if you want to have a go at it with a program, an algorithm that is wrong, and you need to debug it and find and fix the error as well. So have fun. I hope you've enjoyed this unit, and I look forward to seeing you on other units.